artists. Here is the learning objective and instructions for this week's assignment on motivational posters. Learning objective. We will create an uplifting, colorful work of art inspired by the work of award-winning artist Jason Naylor. We will also learn about graphic design, design principles, and font, and create your own motivational poster design, either using a digital tool or your sketchbook. Here are some examples of artists. The first one we learned about this week is Jason Naylor. He's a graffiti artist and a muralist, and he gets asked to create works of art on the side of buildings and walls for the public to see. We found out this week by watching the video that he likes to use messages of kindness, positivity, and love, and he wants his messages to mean something, but also for people to look at it. We also learned about Shepard Fairey, who is a well-known contemporary artist who has done stuff all around the world. One of his most famous artworks is Make Art, Not War, and we learned about how he uses a limited color palette and he uses symbols in his artwork like the peace sign, the paintbrush, the flowers, the person, to create an actual work of art and to convey a message to his audience. We looked at some more examples of motivational art this week. These can be anything that has a message in them, along with objects, pictures, color, line, shape, different details in the artwork. Here's your assignment. This week your design must have variety. Variety in art means using different sizes, shapes, and colors in your artwork to create visual diversity. It must also have emphasis. Emphasis is used in art to attract the viewer's attention to a particular area or object. This is typically the focal point or the main subject of the artwork. Here's how you will be graded. 25 of your points will be your motivational message. Did your message, was it readable? Was I able to understand what you were trying to tell me? Did you use Google or Word to spell check, make sure that you spelled it correctly? You will also be graded on your organization of space. Is the design well organized with the message, images, and other objects in the space? Did you make sure to fill in any white space that you see? Did you give your artwork a background? You will also be graded on variety. Again, that's showing variety in shapes, colors, sizes, and other objects in the design. And the last 25 points for this assignment will be the artwork has emphasis or focal point. Where does the viewer's eye look first in your design? If you're able to answer all of these, then the possible points you can get is 100. Yesterday on Tuesday, or whenever you're watching this video, you are asked to choose a message. So you have to think about what's your main idea. Are you going to have it based on Earth, on people, on animals, positivity, or are you going to create your own message? Where can you create your design? You can create your design in Google Drawings, on paper, or on the website canva.com by making a free account. If you were absent the other day, we did review how to use Canva as well as how to make one. So you can click over here, click to watch how to make your Canva. Down here is your account that you can, is the actual website you can follow. And then lastly, we have a small tutorial you can watch. Please stick around. I will be making another video on Canva as well as some finished examples of your artwork.